ng buhok kasi magpa-picture. Yung ano ko, driver's license ko ay every 5 years kasi I am part of the invalid person because of I have one eye only. So I am belong to the invalid person. Here, invalid persons, every 5 years you have to renew your driver's license. Invalid, there are many people invalid, no? Like you cannot walk. There are many invalid, no? Any kinds of invalidity. I am belong to them, invalid person, because of my eye. I have only one eye. So, that's why.